Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. I'm Gravisoft, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to play SANDSTORM Insurgency or Insurgency SANDSTORM, whatever you wanna call it, which is a modern warfare shooter, a first-person shooter, where you're essentially a member of a certain special forces team and you fight against terrorists in the Middle East. So basically that's the game. It's a game from 2018. First off, before doing anything stupid, we're gonna go into gravisoftnet.com. Here we're gonna go and register into the forum in order to get the pack. So we're gonna go into hacking games, find the thread of the game, which is Insurgency SANDSTORM server files, and here you will be able to download the pack itself with no problems. So once you have the pack, you'll have something like this. Inside the pack you'll find SANDSTORM client and SANDSTORM server. It's very straightforward. Everything's already configured for you guys. You don't have to do anything at all. So we're gonna go into the client. In order to execute the client, you'll have to execute SmartSteam Loader. In order to execute the server, you'll have to execute SmartSteam Loader as well. So before launching the server, what you're gonna do is actually configure the server itself. We're gonna go into the SANDSTORM server folder as we are here. We're gonna go into Insurgency, we're gonna go into Saved, we're gonna go into Config, we're gonna go into Windows Server, and once we are here, we're gonna go into Game Ini. So here you'll find all the parameters of the server itself. Make sure to configure your Archon parameters in order to later use. So make sure that everything's gonna be already configured, so don't worry about that guys, but you can change the password of your server if you want. So here are all the parameters of the server. Just keep in mind that the server is already configured to have friendly bots. So once you join the server, a lot of friendly bots, I mean free bots, are gonna be able to appear. That command that enables friendly bot is actually this one. bbots equals to true. But this is a little trick. Here comes a little trick. If you enabled friendly bots, as you can see here, even though these are the enemy bots, even though you can put whatever number you want of enemy bots, as you can see it's 8 in the minimum and 20 in the maximum bots, even though you can have that, if you have the friendly bots enabled, the maximum quantity of enemy bots that are gonna be able to join is actually only 6. So if you have the friendly bots enabled, only 6 enemy bots. If you disable the friendly bots like that, or maybe just put this crap and put false here, bbots false, the actual number of enemies are gonna be able to be changed. So I don't know if that's a bug of the game or what, but this is how it works. If you want to have a lot of enemies like 8 and so on, 9, 10, 11 enemy bots, you will have to delete BB bots. If you want to play with friendly bots, you want to have to cope with only 6 enemy bots. So that's your call. For the sake of this video, we're gonna actually include friendly bots, so only 6 enemy bots. So once you made your changes, just close it and save it as always. So we have the server already configured, and we're gonna open Archon management tool now. We're gonna go into this server, into this folder, we're gonna open Archon executable, and you'll have this little program. What you're gonna do is now we're gonna execute the server itself. We're gonna execute from SmartSteam Loader. The server is gonna show up. It's gonna open itself. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go into Archon. We're gonna go into settings, and in settings we're gonna go and put the IP of the computer that is actually hosting the server. In this case, we're just gonna put 127.0.0.1 because it's the local server that is hosting in this computer. Then we're gonna go and put the port, and we're gonna go and put the password. So if you can remember, all these details were in the Archon inside the Game Ini that we just opened a couple of seconds ago. So once the server, make sure the server is running, we're gonna go and connect. You should be able to see this green connect, and we're gonna go into console. So if you are wondering why the fuck do we need Archon program, we need this program in order to execute console commands, because if we just use this console, we're not able to type anything. So anything. So we're gonna go and return to Archon programming here. In order to identify all the commands that we are able to execute, we're gonna go back into the Archon management tool, and we're gonna open server admin guide. So here in this little PDF, you'll have all these little commands that you're able to execute, especially these inside the commands. Here you can choose whatever thing you want to do, maybe kick some player, ban some player, say something, restart the round, whatever. In order to change the maps, you have to use this trouble scenarios. So we're gonna go copy this, we're gonna just paste it inside here, space, and we're gonna identify all different maps that we have. So we have crossing, we have farmhouse, we have hideout, we have present, we have refinery, and we have summit. So all these all these 5 maps are at our disposal, but each single one of this map have a different game mode that we can choose. We have checkpoints playing as insurgents, playing as terrorists, checkpoint playing as counter-terrorists, security, firefight, push, skirmish, and team deathmatch. So choose whatever mode you want to play, maybe this one, copy all this text, copy it, and paste it inside the this Archon program. So trouble scenario, space, all this shit. Click enter, and you'll see trouble in 2, and the map is going to be changed. So how to connect inside the game server. So we're going to minimize this, we're going to close this, and we're going to go back inside the SANDSTORM client folder. We're going to join the server. So we're going to open up SmartSteam Loader now, and the game is going to execute itself. So now we're going to go into play, we're going to go into browse server, and here you're going to type whatever IP you have. The local IP of the server is hosting the computer, or the external IP of the computer that's hosting the server. So we're going to go and type 127.0.1. Also don't forget to put double dots on the port that is 27102. Like that. You can also put the local IP of my computer, or whatever local IP you have, or the public IP. We're gonna go and click in the arrow. No password was put, and okay. So now, as you can see, we are able to connect inside the server. Here the map is loading, and we're able to connect just fine. Choose whatever class you want to use, and Jazam, we are inside the game. We want to wait the intermission seconds, and as you can see, we're playing with 3 friendly bots, and we have an enemy team of 6 enemies. This is station, you're good for fire support. Tell the commander. So, this is basically how to connect inside the server, and now in the next part of the video I'm going to teach you how to actually connect in a Real Lan with another computer in real time. So, keep in mind this server works not only in LAN, but it also works in online. So make sure to pass this client to whatever friends you have remotely in another part of the world if you want, and you can play just fine with no Steam at all. So just remember, this is a non-Steam tutorial as always, so as you can see, there's no Steam running, so you will be able to play in LAN and online with this video. So I hope you like this tutorial, I hope you have fun, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my forum, whatever, download my stuff, and see you next time. Bye.
Alright guys, so this is gonna be the little explanation on how to connect 2 computers. It's very simple. As you can see in my second computer, we are already in the main menu of the game, and here we are going to execute the game. So this computer is gonna be hosting the server, and this other computer is gonna be joining the server. So basically what you're gonna do is actually identify which IP you're using. If you're in a local area network, obviously you'll have to identify your local IP. So we're gonna go and open the CMD here. just open a CMD and type ipconfig. So here you will be able to identify the local IP of the computer that is actually going to host the server. So in this case it's going to be the IPv4 address, which is this one. So what you're going to do is just type this IP inside the other computers that are going to join this computer. So as you can see here, we are already executing the server here, so there's no problem at all. And what you're going to do is go to here inside the insertion SANDSTORM menu. We're going to go and play. We're going to go into browse server, and here in connect IP we're going to type that local IP. So it's 192.168.0.13 /27102. So once you type the local IP of the server that is going to host the server and the port, just click in the arrow and OK. And as you can see, we're able to connect to the server itself. So we're going to do just that with this other computer that is actually hosting the server, as you can see. So we're going to open the client, and we're going to open the SmartSteam Loader client. And we're going to try and join the computer. I mean the server. Play. Here, as it's the same computer that is actually hosting the server, you can either choose to use the local IP that we just used, or just the generic IP, which is 127. It's the same. Alright, so we're gonna click on OK, and we're connected. So the other computer is already inside the server. We're gonna choose whatever class you want. Deploy, and we're gonna do the same with the other computer. Deploy. So as you can see, we are connected inside the same server. We're playing just fine. Here you can see that we are playing. There you can see Red Dude, and here obviously I'm Gravisoft. Oh shit, I killed the other guy. So yeah, that's basically how to create a SANDSTORM insurgency server for LAN and online use. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And yeah, basically see you next time. Hope you like this video. Bye.